Hello, this is David from DecoWeb, and I just want to show you my newest plugin called Snippets QuickNav for the free and pro version of Code Snippets. This is that one here you all know and love already. So my plugin just brings these toolbar items or admin bar items here to the top. You can quick jump and quick access all this stuff, and currently it's the plugin version here activated, as you see here in the plugins table on this local test install. And I just want to deactivate this add-on plugin from me, and now we install the snippet version. So I deactivate it, and we now go to Code Snippets import, and I just downloaded the snippet file. You can find it here on the plugins page for Snippets QuickNav. It's on my GitHub page, and here it's the plugin page, Snippets QuickNav. You scroll down a bit and you find here the download JSON, and then you get the JSON file directly prepared for importing into Code Snippets. So I've already downloaded, and now I load it from my computer. So, and just do the import, and we have fun. Here you see the snippet, and I just activate it. So go to the dashboard, and now you still have here all the stuff I showed you before, but now it's loaded directly from the snippet. So the same functionality and nothing is different. It also supports the free and pro version of Code Snippets. I just can show you again. We deactivate Code Snippets free version, so all the stuff goes away, and we activate Code Snippets pro version with all the additional content types, snippet types, and cloud connection. All awesome, great feature in Code Snippets Pro. I really recommend it. And you can also access it here from the toolbar, and this add-on just comes from a code snippet. So it's perfectly fine demonstration of the power of code snippets, and you have here the pro version snippet types and the pro version account setting. It's all fully supported. So just have fun. Whatever you use, the plugin version or the code snippet version, you find it here on the plugins page. I'll link it down in the video description. And now have fun coding and snippeting and building your awesome sites. Have a great day.